Yeah, welcome back. We got a special guest today. Say hi.
Hi!
Woo! Yeah. So we are shoveling snow. Depends on what year, but definitely 2025, we are not shoveling snow. We have had no snow. This is crazy. Crazy no snow. But I was ready. I had the shovel ready. Had the shovel ready. Okay, let's see here. So we are helping you here. There's our book there. Cool. So we're helping you on 8.3. So helping you on 8.3 right now. There we go. Sorry, I just had to open up the new form because 2024 software is not very good at all. I called them up and Smartboard software said just roll back to 2022. That was a better program. So kind of weird when you're paying lots of money for this software. Okay, here we go, 8.3. Okay, so we were doing circles. You need to know the formula for a circle. Do you remember the formula for a circle? Do you remember the formula for a circle? Make sure it's recording, good. Okay, so the formula for the circle, if you remember, is x minus, let's see if I can even remember. So x minus, you just say x1. Let's go back to our formulas. Back to our formulas. Okay, so x minus h and k, that's right. You both. Okay, here we go. So we have x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared equals the radius squared. Right? So they give you this coordinate. They tell you the radius is 4. So that distance is 4. And so we just plug it into our formula. And so we do x minus the h value, which is this distance, which is 6.5, all squared, plus y. And so plus y minus our k value, which is this distance here, which is negative 4.5. So watch out, that's a negative times a negative is a positive, all squared, equals the radius squared. And so the radius squared would be 4 squared, which is 16. And so that would be our answer. And so don't forget that this is a plus. This becomes a plus. So we have y plus 4.5 all squared equals 16. X minus 6.5 all squared. Okay, there we go. So then the circle will be reflected across the y-axis. What will be the coordinates of the new center of the circle? So what would be those new coordinates if you reflected over the y-axis? So the hint I'm going to give you is the y value stays the same, but the x value changes. So what's that new circle? What's that new circle there? Okay, so give that a try. The circle with radius 7 is divided into 5 congruent arcs. So we learned something in our notes, in our book there, that the perimeter, right, the perimeter is going to be equal to 2 pi r. And they want you to divide, what is the length of each of those 5 arcs? So you have a circle, and so your circumference goes all the way around, but they want to divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 arcs. So we take 2 pi r, which our radius is 7. So we take 2 pi times 7, and we divide it by 5 arcs. And so that's going to be 7 times 2 is 14 pi over 5. And so if you put that in your calculator, whoa, did you pause me? You're supposed to pause me. Try it on your own. Pause me, try it on your own. Yeah, pause me, try it on your own. So that's going to be 8.796. Remember, try it on your own. And then push play and see if you got it right or not and learn from your mistakes. So that rounds up to 8.8 centimeters because it does say when we're nearest 10th. Nice. There we go. Okay, so then what is the area of the rectangle? Well, they have a width and a length. And so area of a rectangle is just basically length times width, not too bad. But it's very formula based there. So it's just going to be W times W plus 8. If we say that this is our length, this is our width, and so, or the other way around would be fine. And so just W squared plus 8W is the area of the rectangle in centimeters squared, over the squared part. Cool. So the area of the following rectangle is 273 centimeters squared. What is the height? So go ahead and solve this one. 13 times 8. So that'd be they give you the length, the width. What do they give you? They give you the area. What is the height? So this must be the width then, or the height, width, height. I don't know. It's a rectangle. So this side times this side. Call it length. Call it whatever. Height. Call it width. Whatever you want. Equals 273. Divide by 13. Okay, the perimeter of the following rectangle is 40. What is the area? Ooh, pause me. Try it on your own. You got this. Pause me. Okay, do you remember how perimeter works? Do you remember how rectangle works? Try it on your own. So it's a rectangle, which means this side is equal to this side. So this is also 7 feet. And so we can add those together. So 7 plus 7 is 14. And now we need whatever this side is and this side is. So x plus 14 equals the 40. The perimeter is adding all the way around, right? Adding all the way around. Way-o. Adding all the way around. If I can spell the word around. Cool. Okay, so that'll be x plus x is 2x. We're going to minus 14 to the other side. So then we get 40 minus 10 is 30. 30 minus 4 is 26. Divide by 2. And so we get x is equal to 13. So x is equal to 13. And so that means that this side is 13 and this side is 13. How do we find the area? So the area is going to be length times width, or 13 times 7. And 13 times 7 is 91. So 91 feet squared. Nice. So there's number 7. Try number 8 on your own now. Give it a try. But the area of the following rectangle is 264 squared. What is the perimeter? So the hint is if that's 24, that's 24, and then call that x and x. Try it, try it. You got this. You got this. Give it a try. Okay, number 9. So this is kind of a crazy one that you have to break up into lots of sections. We're going to make sure that my state statistics, we're doing probability right now, which is awesome. So we're just going to double check on our probability student for a second. All right, we're back. Just helping a little bit of probability there. Summon 5 dice equals 6. Okay, so perimeter. So we're going to have to use some information. So these lines mean that they're similar, or that they're congruent, they're equal to each other. So if that's 5, then this is 5, right? Let me see here. Cool. So then if this is also 4, then the other side, I believe, should be 4, because they're all right angles. So if this is 4, then this is 4. And last but not least, let's see here. So if this whole thing is 11, and then you minus the 5, that gives you 6. And then we have to take 6 and divide it by 2, because we need this spot and we need this spot, so we divide it by 2. We need this spot and this spot, so we divide it by 2. And so that's going to be 3 here and 3 here, because 3 plus 5 plus 3 equals 11. Yeah, which is this whole thing up here. Okay, so now we can get the perimeter. So the perimeter is to add all those sides up. So add them all up. So 11 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Woo! Add them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Okay, so add them all up. That'll give you the perimeter. You do it. Don't wait for me. No free answers. You do it. Well, some free answers. Try it on your own. Try it on your own. Okay, find the exact area. So we're going to split this into two rectangles there. So we're going to go 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is going to give you 25 for that area. And then we're also going to do 4. So 4 times 11 will give you this area. So 4 times 11 is 44. And so now you're just going to add those up. So what's 25 plus 44? And there's your area. Nice. So try number 10 on your own. Remember, a parallelogram is just like a rectangle or a square, but shifted. Right? Shifted. So try that one on your own. What is the area of a parallelogram? So don't forget that we have formulas for that. And so the area of a parallelogram is just base times height. Just base times height. Not base times slant. No, no, no. Base times height. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So base times height, they give you the heights. So just multiply those together. Easy peasy. Okay, let's see here. They don't give you the height, but they do give you the area. So again, it's height times the base. And so the base. So the base is 16. And the height, we're not sure. But we do know that if you multiply them together, you do get the area. And so you're just going to divide it to the other side. Plug it in your calculator. That's the answer. So plug 176 divided by 16. Plug it in your calculator. You got this. What is the area of the following parallelogram is? The area of the following parallelogram is 2,508. What is the perimeter? Well, we know 48 should be the same as this. And so we don't know what that is. Call it x. And so we do know the area, so they do give us the area. And so 48 times x gives us 2,508. So if you divide that to the other side, that's going to give you what x is, right? That's going to give us what x is. And so 2,508 divided by 40, they give us the height as well. Oh, it's not the, that's wrong, that's wrong. So it's actually base times height is equal to the area. And so the height is 48, or 44. Sorry, the height is 44. So we're going to do 44 times x, divide that over to the other side. And so it's okay to make mistakes as long as you fix them. So we got 2,508 divided by 44 is approximately 57. There we go. And so now we have what the x is, which is 57, which is the base, right? Base times height. And then we're going to find the perimeter. And so to find the perimeter, you're going to go ahead and do 57. And so 57 plus 57 plus 48 plus 48. You know. Put in your calculator, 200 something. Put in your calculator, give it a try. And that's going to be centimeters. It's going to be centimeters. Okay, so then number 15. Oh, trapezoids now. Whoa. So trapezoid formula, it comes from our book. And so our trapezoid formula there, it's going to be this guy right here. So there's our area equals 1/2 B1 plus B2 times the height. That's a crazy formula. That's a crazy formula. Okay, let's see here. So then, let's see. The area of the following trapezoid is 180 meters squared. So we have 180 meters squared. So our area is going to be our formula. Again, our formula is 1/2 B1 plus B2. Times the height. Well, they give us the height. The height is 9. So they give us the height. Good. And they give us B1. So we just need to find B2. Or if we want to be exact with our formula, I guess B1 is a smaller one. So maybe they gave us B2. It doesn't really matter too much there because they're just added together. But they want you to find B1. So B2 is in there, so that's 24. Or I guess if we're solving for B1, be consistent. So that's 24 goes there, and then B1 goes there. Nice. Okay, so they just want you to... Woo! Yeah, I'm talking too much. Okay, there we go. So they want you to solve for B1. Let's go. So solve for B1. So let's see here. So we have 9/2. So I guess we could divide by 9 first. So 180 divided by 9. 9 goes to 18 twice. And then we have to, so that's that one done. And then we have to times by 2 over to this side. So we get 40 is equal to B1 plus 24. And now all we're going to do is minus 24 to the other side and get our answer. So what does B1 equal? Minus 24. Minus 24 to the other side. And so B1 is equal to that. So B1 is equal to 40 minus 24. Nice. What did you get? What did you get? What's 40 minus 24? Did you get 16? You got 16 meters. Nice. Okay, so then we have another trapezoid. And so the area of a trapezoid, let's see here. Awesome. So the area of the following trapezoid is 84 square feet. What is the perimeter? So I'm going to let you try this one on your own, number 16 and 17. And then I'll do another video to finish it off. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Bye for now.
Toodles.
Yeah, toodaloo.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo. Say it again.
Toodaloo.
Woo! Toodaloo. Bye for now.